There are two ways to program the Leland Legacy pump. Put the pump in hold mode by pressing any button. To get into setup, press the buttons in the passcode sequence. The screen will display setup if done correctly. Use the star button to move through the different setup screens. Press it repeatedly until you reach a screen with the letters ST at the bottom. This stands for sample time and is the length of time the pump will run. You can use the up and down arrows to change this time. Notice that it is in the form of minutes, so if you want a sample for 24 hours, set it for 1,440 minutes. Programming the sample time allows the pump to shut off on its own, but it still needs to be manually started. The Leland Legacy software is available online through the manufacturer's website. Note that this software is only compatible with Windows. Download it to your computer and open it. Attach the Leland Legacy to the computer with the supplied cable and make sure the Leland is in hold mode. Open the software. A screen will pop up that gives you 4 choices of communication ports. Select the port you are plugged into with the Leland and select Open Port. An animation of 2 hands coming together will appear at the bottom of this screen. Now it will direct you to the main software screen. On this main page, under the View menu, select Pump Scheduler. At the bottom of this screen that appears, select the date on the calendar you want your sampling event to start. Then click the rectangular box above it that says Start Date Time. Now go to the time written next to the clock. Type in when you would like the program to start. Select AM or PM. With the desired time in place, click on the rectangular box again for your start date time. Do the same steps for when you'd like the pump to shut off. This time, click on the second rectangular box for the stop date and time. You'll notice that after both are filled in, the software calculates how long the event will be and how much air will be sampled. Make sure that the flow that is displayed on this screen is the same as the flow you set the Leland at. All the rectangular boxes will be green if done correctly. If one turns red or yellow, it means that there is a discrepancy and you should check that you have not made an error. A common issue is setting the stop time bigger than the start time. When all boxes are green, go to the left of the screen and select Insert. This will transfer the program to the pump schedule. It will appear now on the top of the screen. Select it, and on the bottom left, select To Pump. This will ask you to confirm your choice, say yes, and it will say Program Loaded. It has now been sent to the pump.